It's gonna go now. Oh, whee! Oh, nice. Nice levels. I just want to and by the way, I want to complete this so I don't have to go back there for another, for probably, I don't have to go for the hard ones for next week of this. It comes like Friday to Saturday. Oh, wait, Sunday? Maybe Sunday too. If it ends on Sunday. Sometimes it could come on Sunday because it's obvious to point at me and gaze at the stars. Oh, what is up with those queen? Like the gold one kept gazing at me because she likes me. I'm done with this. Oh, this cat didn't get some. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, meow. Oh, where are your treats? You suck at this game. I finally uninstall this game next year. Oh, how about no? If I uninstall it, I can't save process. Oh man, now you're gonna fight over this Grand Theft Auto thing. It's getting over. Macy! I'm sorry, man. Wait till your treats are here. Macy. It's not cool. You're gonna eat someone else's. Wait, don't go. I'm not buying anything. Wats's. Kid runs over. That's what? Wait, what? It's gonna size you to like a Big Mac or something. William eats like his favorite food's Big Mac. I mean, I don't know. Oh no, I hate this level. William. Oh, honey, I'm sorry. Yeah, open the door. He kept calling William a jerk since he's like, open the jerk. He's like this. You are a freaking jerk. You are a stupid freaking jerk. You are a jerk. Man, I don't believe this. Why is it so harder than like last levels before? I did not know. You know what? We'll have to use this for now until I get more money. 2 weeks before Valentine's Day. Hey, it's not February. You know what? That's gonna be red. Oh, it's so loud. It's working. Oh, that was a bumblebee. Don't let them get into your ear. Oh, switch.